In nature, there is no hurry, there will be no frenzy, and there will be no ambiguity. All appears to be in working order. A tree thrives when it is left alone. It progresses day by day. Things fall into line and fulfills its life mission of bringing new life into the world and evolving into the best version of itself. While there is a significant intelligence gap between humans and the rest of the Earth inhabitants, we can still learn a lot from those whom we share this planet. Species with precise biological adaptations abound in the world, and they may be able to solve a problem in ways we've never imagined. Mother Nature is the greatest engineer on the planet, and we can learn a lot from her. All is related to everything else. The system is balanced by its complex, self-compensating properties, which can lead to a drastic failure if overstressed. The ecological networks, complexity, and intrinsic rate of turnover decide how often and for how long it can be stressed without collapsing. Since the ecological networks acts as an amplifier, it can lead to long-delayed consequences. The Earth can be thought of as a finite world, containing all the minerals, water, soil, and air that we will ever have. Nutrients, water, and gases cycle within systems and are essential to all members of an ecosystem. Each individual plays a specific role in assuming the continuation of these cycles. All chemicals, pollutants, and hazardous materials that we create and use must also go somewhere. Some of these materials may be held in the bodies of organisms, including humans, accumulating and sometimes causing harm. These three are important to me because I believe that nature knows best, that everything is interconnected, and that everything has to go somewhere. Nature can live without us. Long before we arrive on the scene, they were already flourishing, and the natural world was in harmony. Like the food web, everything is interconnected to everything else. When humans make effort to protect nature, the earth becomes a better place. Nature is a work of art. Nature is vital to our daily lives and a significant contributor to our well-being. And being cut off from something as real as nature is a recipe for a disaster. It is better to be part of nature than to be apart from it. It is true that the humans and nature are one in itself, that people must keep in mind that whatever harms nature harms humans, and if nature thrives, humans will too. I am Eliza Romapa, and I am an environmental advocate. Be a part of the solution and not the pollution. Have a fantastic day, saving Mother Earth. Bye!